we just did the setup for Grecian over here in our car, and I want Grecian to go inside and take a look whether he can fit properly or not. And then use the leg a little bit. Yeah. But can you fit there or not?
Yes, I can fit it.
Properly?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Your legs are there. You no, but you don't sleep like that whole time. How you sleep actually? How you put your head on the pillow?
Yeah, this way. When you close the door, it fits here.
Yeah.
Then I can sleep.
You sure it fits?
Yeah.
The edge. Can you see the edge?
This what's just go.
Grecian.
Yeah.
Okay. How you feel about the voxy sleeping?
Yeah. So nice, brother. It's time to sleep.
I mean to say like I think if you and your wife or your girlfriend, whoever wants to sleep with you, can she sleep with you here on the side? I think there is one more space, right?
Yes.
Of course, you don't want to sleep with me or with other guy because you are not gay.
Yeah.
But I mean to say, like, if you find a girl and wanna sleep over here together, definitely you can sleep and you can move because the thing is really huge,
Yes.
right? It's spacey.
Yes.
So, guys, voxy, Kirameki Toyota, amazing, huge car. The big guy like Grecian can sleep, so anyone can sleep. And my bed is over here. And I'm going to put the seats down and sleep later. This is my bed. I mean, it's not very comfortable. I mean, this size is for the kids actually. But I think for 1 night or 2 nights I can adjust because the sponges over here, the mattress, the 2 thick blankets because it's very cold. In the morning usually it goes -7 to -8 degrees. I think so far no bad. And of course I can tell you tomorrow about the cold and everything, that how was the night. But so far so good, no trouble. And I actually think that 1 and 2 people can sleep at the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 people easily can sleep in this car. I just have a feeling. I'm not sure, but that's what I think, that 4 people can actually spend 1 night. But doing nothing bad, nothing those sexual whatever. The normal sleeping is all fine, good. So the voxy Toyota Kirameki is a nice huge car, amazing. And of course we'll see tomorrow how good actually it is. But so far so good, guys. Good night. We going to have some small fun time. Cheers.